Most surveys done on the Chinese population, even by Western institutions, show that the Chinese population is extraordinarily united on the line on how they view their system. For instance, the Ash Center for Democratic Governance and Innovation at the Harvard Kennedy School did a 13-year-long study interrogating the Chinese population, which they summarized in a 2020 report entitled Understanding CCP Resilience. Their conclusion is, I quote, they find out that 93% of the Chinese people are satisfied with the Chinese central government. The US and Europe is, of course, a vastly different story. Satisfaction rates with public institutions are, as we all know, at all-time low almost anywhere in the West. For instance, in the US, public trust in government went from more than 70% in the 1960s to a mere 20% today. In France, only 28% of citizens trust their public institutions. When you ask Americans, an extraordinary 43% believe civil war is likely within the next 10 years.